Welcome to our What's New in 2021 series. I'm John, and I will take you through the updates for Composer. When importing a new assembly into Composer, it's recommended to select the appropriate import profile, depending on the origin of the CAD data. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2021 Composer, the Open dialog gives you even more control, with direct access to the configuration information of the part or the assembly. There are plenty of great rendering styles built into Composer to get the right look and feel of your final documentation. Selecting the flat technical display option will be perfect for the illustrations of the Squares robot cleaning head brush assembly. Before diving into the rest of this project, there are a few document properties worth adjusting. Navigating to the File drop-down menu, SOLIDWORKS Composer 2021 offers additional user settings to the selection and highlight options. You can now allow for hidden edges to be shown, along with modifying the color intensity. And just as before, colors can be set for both part and assembly selection and model highlighting. Previous versions of SOLIDWORKS Composer have had the ability to modify other document properties as well. Common changes include the viewport background to remove the gradient and adjust the background color. The paper space can be set to a standard document size, or in this case, a custom ratio of 16:9. Units can be modified from metric to English, or vice versa. What's new in Composer 2021 is the ability to save these document properties. This is extremely helpful when working with other systems, updating previous projects, or standardizing on a company-wide document setting. The next step for this replacement part catalog is creating some new views for each of the cleaner head options. Composer offers quick ways to hide and show components with the right mouse button pop-up menu. In this case, hiding all of the unselected components and leaving just the desired cleaning head subassembly. New in 2021, you will see an updated user interface that allows for extended docking support of tabs and windows. Moving the Configurations tab and docking it to the right side is a nice place to access all of the configurations that were brought through during the import process. Now with the new configuration active, it is easy to create all the additional views required for this final document. In this view, there are a handful of parts that are hidden, and when selecting this assembly configuration, you can see that only the visible components are highlighted. New in SOLIDWORKS 2021 is the ability to toggle this visibility on and off from the system preference. By enabling the option, highlight the viewport invisible actors belonging to the selection. With this option on, you will receive direct visual feedback of hidden and shown components with each of your selections. Each variation of the cleaning head subassemblies needs their own exploded view. No problem with SOLIDWORKS Composer. From this view, all of the clean blades can be selected from the Advanced Selection tool in a single click. Using Explode Transform perfectly positions each blade, and finally, with predefined styles for callouts, all the part numbers and descriptions are automatically defined and formatted. New for 2021 is the ability to host and share the native Composer file directly onto the 3D Experience platform. This allows the interactive content to be viewed through any web browser on any device. So, to summarize, we now have increased support for multiple configurations. We have the option to delete empty groups on import. We've also received performance upgrades, decreasing loading times. We can now control display a property of hidden edges. We can now highlight invisible actors. And finally, a more modern user interface.